Hi guys, Retrotech Ralph here. I'm going to do a strip down of the Adman Grandstand 3600 Mark III. I'm going to do a few of these because I want to have a look inside these, see if there's any comparison between the 3000s that I've got. So let's have a look. The on-off switch on that's a little bit iffy anyway on that, but we can see on the other side of the board hopefully. So let's get into this. Like 2 screws on the bottom. It does work. This is fully working, this one. I'm not sure if this was meant to be beige coloured to start with. The battery cover off. The sponge on that is actually still sponge. Wow. It's dissolved by now. Battery compartment looks like that's just got a little, I wouldn't say corrosion on that, but I'd say a little bit of tiny oxidization. But hardly anything I'm not worried about, to be honest. Come out. There are the screws over there. This will take 6 C-type batteries, which is not your largest batteries you get in the cylinder shape, but the one down from it. Which either way, I don't have any, but luckily that is a power socket, so I can play it that way if needed. Right. Back's unscrewed, front goes to the side. Okay. What's the... okay. That speaker's very different. That's very reminiscent of the small handheld 80s games that you used to get. Had one of those little tinny things on there. But maybe I could do a little bit of cleaning on there. Let's strip this. To be honest, no, I'm going to say, to be honest, somebody's already been in this, but these 2 screws here go into the board and through. It's not the same screws all the way through. I'm not going to worry about that. Authenticity. Now I'm just worried a little bit. I've got a couple of parts here which have got holes in them. Looks like the solder work is a bit crappy, to be honest. Right, am I missing a screw here? It feels like it's held in the corner. I think that needs to come off. Think strong, Ralph. Think strong. There we go. I think slide it off. Maybe easier. So fold over there, fold back over that way. Okay. So the switches are, I think they just want cleaning up with the broil in there. I think there's one of these that's a little bit iffy. One of these are for the switches because they go there. Right, okay. Very, very basic switch. Nothing at all, is it? The RF modulator's there. Yeah, let's get a little bit of oil in these switches because I'm not 100% happy with them. A little bit of drop in there. Subtle as a brick. Okay. Now. That last one, the first time round, was what I wanted. Not then. So, at least here's a little bit of a clean up on the inside with WD. So, that first one, way better already. Yeah, they're like new. Let it soak in. Yeah, that's an absolute billion times better, that is. Yeah. Look on the board. Apart from the WD-40 all over it. Not sponsored by WD-40, by the way. Not sure if... Obviously nothing been in here. It interests me that they get something like this. You got a diode attached to a resistor. Is that meant to be over the top of that or touching that? I don't know. Let's have a look. think that's touching that at all. Yeah, it's balmy how you have something, everything's just chip. Capacitors, you got your various resistors, slide, switch. Need get a bit in there. This is brilliant. The power cable's coming through there. No, they're just jumpers or something. Unless it powers up the RF. Can't get that out anyway. Don't want to get it out. Soldered in there. Well, the casing's soldered in there. There's no top on there. I'd expected a lid bin on top of that, but there isn't. So, fine. Yeah. Yeah. That'll help a little bit anyway. Nothing major. No harm done. Yeah, that's quite easy, that one there. Don't need to do anything with that, just put things back together again and we're happy. A little bit of a, oh right, that's okay. I was going to say there's something holding this back here. Ah, that's better, just move on to pushing them further. I think it's because I've got this flat to the floor and the slide, the switch selector is sticking up. Yeah, that's quite good. Now let me get this protector should we get that? Do that again. Let's get this back together, get this plugged in and see if I've not messed this up. Which I shouldn't have. But while I'm doing this, you can just jump to the next bit. Right, so back together again. Now let's see if this thing works. Now on, it's not a slight ghosted on here. Press reset button. Oh, the noise. Da, 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 da. Apart from the ghosting issue, which I don't want to actually address at this moment, because things do work fine. I'm going to leave that. Take that out. It does actually get rid of that bat, but then brings the other one, the blue bats, in. I have got. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Can't get it in there. There you go. But yeah, works perfectly. I'm not willing to faff with the RF. To either know a lot more or I don't really want to break it. It's not bad, but there's just cases of certain bits that are being worn on this thing, which is a shame really, because it's obviously been played with but not completely destroyed. So yeah, I think it's a little bit of a service that obviously it was then. Need a bit for the switches and stuff, so that's an easy fix, that one, an easy repair. So I'll leave it at that and say thanks very much. Follow me on Twitter, Patreon, Facebook. What's the other one? Oh, Discord. Like, subscribe on the YouTube, please. Share as much as you want, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.